How to activate WhatsApp account on two phones with same number. Firstly, you need to update the WhatsApp on your phone. Simply go to Play Store and check if there is any update. Now, you need to remove the SIM card from your second phone. Install WhatsApp from Play Store on your second phone. Please note that if you have already WhatsApp installed on phone, just uninstall and reinstall it. Then, open WhatsApp on your secondary phone and select your language of choice. Then, tap on Agree and Continue. Here, just enter your phone number and then tap on three dots line at top right corner. Then go to Link Device. You will see a QR code. After that, switch to Primary Device to scan this code. Now, open WhatsApp and Primary Device. Then press on three dots at the top right corner and tap on Link Device. A QR code scanner will now appear on screen and scan QR code in secondary phone. The best part is that WhatsApp on both devices will work independently. What this means is that even if your primary phone is not connected to internet, you can still use WhatsApp on secondary device. So this is the easy way to activate WhatsApp account on two phones with same number. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.